Hi everyone, welcome to Discover Natural, and today I'm going to be making mango oil. So a big shout out to my YouTube subscriber who asked me to make some mango oil. And also I want to say I got a recipe from this channel. I cannot pronounce a name. So as I cut up the mango, I'm going to tell you a little bit about mango and its benefits to the hair. So mango has about 1 gram of protein. It has some fat. It has vitamin C, vitamin A, folate and vitamin B6, vitamin K, copper, calcium, potassium, so many good nutrients for your hair. And you know, when you eat mango actually helps you with moisturizing your scalp with your sebum, you know, to improve your sebum. It helps also with your hair elasticity and also to build the collagen in your body because it has vitamin C. So with all these facts, why not use mango oil in your hair? So what I'm doing right now is I took 2 mangoes and I'm removing the flesh of the mango. You don't want to miss the next video I'm going to put out because that video is going to blow your mind out. Okay, so I was really tempted to just put this mango in my mouth, but I said, Shola, today you must make mango oil. You cannot be eating up all the mango. Okay, so I'm just going and I'm just cutting up the mango into pieces, and to tell you the truth, I should have even cut it into smaller pieces, but you know, I was just like, you know, let's just keep on cutting. Anyway, so after I finished cutting it up, as you see, I now proceeded to making it into smaller pieces. So just take it, make sure when you're cutting it, make sure that you cut it into smaller pieces, and I believe that works way better than cutting it into bigger pieces. So after cutting it, I'm going to take a frying pan, and I'm taking about 1 cup of coconut oil. Now if you don't want to use coconut oil, you can use fractionated coconut oil so that you know it doesn't solidify. You can also use olive oil, avocado oil, any carrier oil will do, because you know mango actually contains 80% of water, so there's really no oil at all in mango. So if you're thinking that you're just gonna fry this mango by itself without any oil, you must be kidding. But anyway, so I'm just taking coconut oil and I'm melting down the coconut oil, and we're going to start frying this coconut oil. Now when you fry this coconut oil, it's as if you are frying plantain. My kids were like, the house was smelling so good. Oh my goodness. If you have ever eaten coconut candy before, that is what it smells like. Okay, that is what it smells like. So you're just gonna fry it up to the point when you see that the you see that the mango has turned brown. Then you turn off the heat. So you don't keep on frying it until it's really dark. You just fry it until it turns brown, turn off the heat, and then let it just cool down with the frying. The mango will still keep on frying, just let it cool down. And as you are frying it, make sure that you are pressing the mango so that the juices will go into the oil. That is what we want. You want to press it and mash it and mash it. So after it has finished cooking and frying, this is what it's going to look like. You can see it's like plantain and that is the oil, that is the mango oil. So we're going to strain it, and I'm just using my strainer. You can use a cheesecloth, you can use anything. All you want to do is just want to make sure that you squeeze off all the oil and the mango. So you have a combination of the mango oil and any liquid. It must have fried into and infused into that coconut oil that you use. So just press down everything, get all the juices out, get everything out, and once you are done with that, the magic you see here is this golden color oil. Man, I tell you, this oil, it smells so delicious. And don't throw that away, you can eat it. So that mango, you know, the fried mango, that is candy. You can eat it. Don't throw it away. You can eat it, you can even bake it, you can do so many things with it. Please don't throw it away, don't waste. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour my oil into my dark bottle. You can get this dark bottle in Amazon, an Amazon shop. And what can you use this mango oil for. This mango oil, you can use it as a body moisturizer, you know, like a body oil. And I find that when I put it on my body just feels really nice and smooth, and it helps because it contains vitamin C, which helps your collagen, so your skin won't look all old and haggard. It will tighten it up. It is amazing. You can use it on your face, you can use it in your soap, everywhere. So you can also use this as a hot oil treatment for your hair. So if you have dry hair, this helps with improving that. You can also use this as a scalp moisturizer. So you're gonna make sure your scalp is wet, of course, apply it to your scalp and massage. Your scalp will love this very much. You can also use it for dandruff, because you know, mango oil, mango butter, you put it in your hair, you massage into your hair, and then for like 2 to 3 minutes, and just keep it in your hair for like do it twice a week will be fine. You can also use it for hair loss. It helps promote hair growth because it has vitamin A and C. It helps with gray hair, so they say, oh, okay. And it helps to prevent hair loss because it helps strengthen your hair, especially when you use it religiously. So when you use any treatments like this, make sure you are massaging your scalp well and stay consistent. So make sure you make mango oil, and please come and tell me what you think about it. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Mwah.